you don't have to name names, pero sa tingin niyo, sir, may does the administration have someone to field at this point or maghahanap pa sila?
Okay. Hindi, balik muna tayo, no? Balik muna tayo doon sa performance is the best politics, di ba? Kasi kung gusto nila mag-field ng kandidato, dapat tumaas muna yung ratings ni BBM. That is the reality, di ba? Kasi kung ganitong kababa, mahirap naman mag-endorso ng kandidato. That's why I will still go back. Performance is the best politics. And the more you think about politics, the more nalalayo ka sa performance because pag inisip mo yung politika, syempre, yung mga decisions mo might be political decisions instead of decisions na gumanda yung performance mo bilang public official. No? I mean, hindi lang presidente. I mean, in all offices yan. So, yun naman ang
Pero
basis.
sir, that phrase, performance is best politics, let me append to that the phrase, the word used by Bam Aquino. That's ideally. Kasi
Ideally. I mean, we all know how it works.
Di ba, I mean, for a good example for that, I suppose, is the approval ratings of VP Sara Duterte are going up. Well, actually, it's called performance ratings. Have been going up. But yeah, she does not have any official job in the cabinet. She's the vice president.
And hasn't had any tangible
not exactly because of
achievements.
something that's her fault. Kasi nga, wala naman siyang trabaho ngayon eh. Pero, but her performance ratings are going up. And as far as performance is concerned.
Okay, Ed, amen ko. It's the perception of performance.
There you go, sir.
Yun.
Perception.
Yeah, sir,
Tama
ideally.
yun, perception. Okay, di ba? Okay, assuming it is the perception of the performance but not the actual performance, still you will have to perform better so that the perception of your performance will be better. Di ba? Parang,
Ano ba yan?
hindi, I mean, hardcore ako dyan eh. Kasi that's how I do my politics, di ba? Parang para sa akin, yun yung politika ko eh. So talagang hardcore ako dyan. Kaya minsan talaga sa traditional politician, hindi kami magkakasundo. Kasi hindi ako naniniwala ng politika eh. I mean, para sa akin, politika, yung performance is the best politics.
Sir,
Ulit.